Hello everyone, this is Professor A.C. Sadhav, Department of Horticulture, K.K. Wagh College of Agriculture, Nasik, under the course of HOT 354. The second important type of the practical exercise is identification of medicinal and aromatic plant. So, we will discuss identification of medicinal and aromatic plant one by one. Guys, this video is only for educational purpose and not for any of the commercial use. Medicinal plant. In a medicinal category, the most important type of the medicinal plant is asparagus. Asparagus, which is identified with the botanical name Asparagus racemose. It comes under the family of Asparagaceae and origin is India. Plant part used is its tuberous root. So this plant has such a type of the small leaf and its roots has a medicinal properties, and that's why used as a medicinal plant. In a roots mainly the chemical contents like asparagesic acid is present, and that's why asparagus is used for medicinal values or for the medicinal purpose, just like for the diuretic, for hypoglycemic, then antihypertensive, hypocholesterolemic, then antioxidant effect, and that's why has a great value in medicinal industry. Next important medicinal plant is the aloe vera. This is again the popular type of the herbal medicine. Aloe vera. In aloe vera, mainly the two type of the genera are the common used for the medicinal values or for the medicinal purpose, that is aloe vera and second aloe barbadense. It comes under the family of Xanthorrhoeaceae or Asphodelaceae. Origin is eastern and southern Africa. In this plant, we knew that its leaves, which is full of the gel. So the fleshy type of the leaves. Apart from the leaves, its root and the seed again considered as a plant pot which is used for the medicinal purpose. So these leaves has a chemical content like barbellion, aloin, then chrysophenol, glycosides, aloe vera gel. That's why has a great medicinal value. Aloe vera is used in a cosmetic industry, in a laxative uses or in a laxative preparation, in burn, in a first aid medicine, and in medicines which are useful for the stomach infection and for the many more uses. So aloe vera. Next important is a periwinkle. Actually the category of the periwinkle is again considered under the ornamental, but the periwinkle with the specific type of the species which has a medicinal value we use in a medicine industry. So in a periwinkle, for the medicinal values, this Catharanthus roseus, which is again considered as under the genus of Vinca, we will use. It comes under the family of Apocynaceae. Plant part which we used in a periwinkle, it is leaves and its root. So in a periwinkle, serpentine, then reserpine, then agamellacine, such type of the chemical content are found, which are highly useful for high blood pressure, for the preparation of the drug against the cancer, then cardiotonic, such type of uses are common. Then next important type of the medicinal plant, it is the isabgol, and again identified with a psyllium. Botanical name is a Plantago ovata. It comes under the family of Plantagenaceae. In isabgol, we knew that the usable plant part is its seed and the husk. So, in isabgol, these seed and husk contain xylose, arabinose, galactoronic, and that's why used for the medicinal values. Absorbing and retaining the water, it is the great property of this isabgol. Antidiuretic drug, pills, ulcer. Also, apart from the medicinal industry, again in a ice cream preparation, these seeds or the husks are used. So this is isabgol. Next important type of the medicinal plant, it is the cinnamon. So in a spice category, we identified the cinnamon, but it has again the great value in a medicinal industry or in a medicinal faculty too. Botanical name is a Cinnamomum zalanicum. It comes under the family of Lauraceae, and the plant part which is used is its bark. It has again the botanical species which has the same type of the medicinal value, that is Cinnamomum cassia. In this type of the cinnamon, we knew that its bark has such a type of the great potential of medicinal values, containing cinnamaldehyde and trans-cinnamaldehyde, which has an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antidiuretic, antimicrobial properties, and that's why used in the medicine industry. Next type of the medicinal plant, which is rarely identified in the tropical and subtropical area, that is costus. Costus, botanical name is a Sauceria costus. It comes under the family of Asteraceae, and the plant part which are used, it is its tuberous root. So in a costus, mainly steroidal sapogenin, then diogenins, then sesquiterpene lactonins, like a contained are identified, and that's why used for the medicine or used as a medicines, particularly against asthma, inflammatory diseases, ulcer, stomach problems, tonic, stimulant and antiseptic properties, has such a type of the great value of this costus. So this is the medicinal plant. Next are the aromatic plant. Aromatic plant which are identified with the presence of peculiar type of the aroma, and that's where these are used for the extraction of essential oil. In a aromatic plant, leading plant is a lemongrass. Lemongrass, botanical name of lemongrass, that is Sempopogon flexuosus. It comes under the family of Gramineae. In a lemongrass, the plant part which is used is its leaves. In a lemongrass, the chemical essential oil contained or the primary element, it is the citral. 80% citral we can found in a lemongrass, and that's why it is used as a herbal tea, also in a soap and cosmetic industry, as a disinfectant. Oil has a bactericidal, vitamin A, then vitamin A tablets preparations from the beta ionines, which is again the major constituent of this lemongrass. So in this way, this is important type of the essential oil. Next to the lemongrass is a citronella or the citronella grass, which is again from the same genera, that is Sempopogon. So it is identified with the Sempopogon winterianus, comes under the family of Gramineae. In the Citronella, there are the two categories, that is the Java Citronella and second one is a Ceylon Citronella. Java Citronella, Symphopogon winterianus, and Ceylon Citronella, that is Symphopogon nardus. The plant part again used is its leaves. In a Citronella grass, citronellal, geraniol, these are the major constituent, and it is used in a perfumery, antiseptic, and the wound healing properties again the feature. It is again used in a soap industry, in the cosmetic industry, in the pharmaceutical industry, and the important use of this citronella is again as a mosquito repellent. Next one is a Palmarosa. Palmarosa, that is Symphopogon martini, variety Motia. It comes under the family of the Gramineae, and the plant part which are again used is a leaves. Origin of Palmarosa is India. So along with the leaves, we can use its flower stalk. So this Palmarosa contain geraniol 75 to 90%. It is used in a perfumery, antiseptic, wound healing, flavoring, tobacco industries. These are few of the uses of Palmarosa. Next one is a vetiver, which is again known as a vara. Botanical name of the vetiver is Vetiver zizanioides. It comes under the family of Gramineae. Plant parts which are used is its dried roots. So, in a vetiver, its root contain vetiverol 65 to 75%, and it is particularly used for making the fan in North India, also in a soap and a cosmetic industry. Fixative in a perfumery industry, again the great property or the use of this vetiver crop. Next one is a geranium. So geranium botanical name is a Pelargona graveolens. It comes under the family of Geraniaceae. Plant part which is used is a terminal stem with 6 to 12 number of the leaves. So it is the herbal type of the plants. The chemical constituent which identified great in its terminal portion, so we use only that much part. The chief constituent is again the geraniol. So 68 to 75% geraniols are available in geranium. It is used against or used for high grade perfume making, and in this way the geranium again has a great value in a aromatic industry or for the preparation of the essential oil too. Next one is a ocimum. So ocimum is again not the common for the Indian person. Ocimum species or the variety of ocimums are available. Botanical name is Ocimum species. It comes under the family of Labiatae, and plant parts are used, means whole plants we can use for the medicinal purpose. Its leaves, its seeds, and its roots. Ocimums which contain eugeneol near about 71%, also contain the camphor, linalool, geraniol too, and has antibacterial, insecticidal, and diaphoretic properties. So this is about the identification of medicinal and aromatic plant. Thank you very much.